Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about makeup tutorials. So I have a special guest here, and this is my niece Valeria.
Hi. So today, Maricela invited me on her channel so I can do her makeup. But keep in mind, I don't know how to do makeup at all. Yeah.
Okay, so before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to Simply Maricela and give it a thumbs up.
And go subscribe to Valeria Andres, my YouTube channel.
So let's go ahead and get started. So the look that she's gonna go ahead and do is this one right here.
It's gonna be kind of hard. She's so pretty. I don't know if you can see, but yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm be doing this look. So I don't really know what to start off with, but I think people start off with brows.
Yeah.
Did you? Okay. So first, we're gonna be doing this. So would you like to tell us about yourself, Maricela?
So I started this small business in, I think, when was it? It was July?
Yeah.
July 14.
Last month.
Last month it was the Stella lashes. So it was something that was really interesting and something that I was very passionate.
Stuck in.
Oh my god.
Your face. The way you said, oh my god.
Yeah, so I really like what I do.
Yeah. Like literally 2020 is just of like our family making businesses. Because like my mom, she has like her like dress. I don't even know what it is.
It's the charrerias.
Yeah.
Like 15 dresses.
And I started my bakery business. So it's called Vales Dessert Boutique. If you guys want, you can go follow it and stuff. It's just Vales Dessert Boutique. And then Maricela, she started her Stella lashes. She also has
The beauty blenders.
Yeah. Also, she's getting new stuff for you guys.
Yeah,
So
new
she's
projects coming up really soon.
Yeah.
I'm so excited, but I can't tell you guys.
Yeah. We're like trying to plan it out. I'm like I help her out with stuff like that. And also like right now we're just trying to like get more customers.
And I love the support, from everybody. I really thankful and appreciate everybody. And also like the likes, the shares, like talking to me. I'm very grateful for that.
But yeah, but me, I barely started my business this week. So yeah, I'm like, it's kind of stressful because I get panic attacks because I'm scared. Oh my god, they're not gonna like. Oh my god, I'm not gonna do it right. Oh my god, this. Oh my god, that.
But sometimes you gotta like.
She literally was like about to stab me. She said, "You need to calm down." Like she grabbed me from the back. Relax. We got this. I'll take you to the store to get new chocolate. So yeah, she's actually just been helping me out a lot with my business. But yeah, and thank you. So I think that's
good.
Our eyebrows good. I don't know.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So what's the next step we're doing?
I think it's beauty. Isn't it primer?
First you gotta wet my face, which is this everlasting setting spray.
We're gonna be like those beauty gurus.
So you just like spray it all over me, and then you spray this. Actually, this is one of my beauty blenders from Stella Lashes. Sorry. So yeah, so if go ahead and check it out. I really like it. It's
Link
so
will
cute.
be in bio.
Yes.
So yeah. Okay, so what do I? So I
And
just
then I'm gonna go ahead and put my little primer.
El maquillage.
Ooh, it's so soft.
So yeah. Didn't you do a video like I don't know if it was of that El maquillage?
Oh,
or,
it
like,
was. It was a video that I did with the makeup, and I love their makeup so much.
Okay, so what do I do with this now?
This video is not sponsored to them, but I really like their products.
Hopefully they will soon. You know.
Hopefully.
You know what I mean?
Just praying for that.
Yeah. Okay. So now I just do this. You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro. How do they hold it? Like that? Okay, yeah. I'm literally trying so hard right now. Okay. Make sure that doesn't get on there.
And this is the Stella Lashes sponge.
Yeah, make sure you guys go order some. It'll be very helpful. Definitely with the new stuff coming up. So yeah.
And it's really affordable too.
Yeah. Because normally some sponges, they're kind of expensive, you know what I mean? So this business is actually helping her a lot because she's been wanting to do something like this for the longest. But yeah, so we made sure to like put affordable. Well, she made sure to put affordable prices.
And then I wanted to cater my lashes to everyone's needs. The packaging was very important to me because I want everything. It's like the way I see it as, if I buy something, I want it to feel special. You know, I want to open this packaging and smile and be happy. So
and be like, oh my gosh,
this is so
like,
cute. You know,
this person is actually like cares. Like,
and I also put personal letters because I'm really, really, really grateful for all the support of everyone.
But
and I'm actually her aunt.
Oh yeah, that's my aunt.
Maricela.
I call her Maricela, but it's like, I don't know. I grew up calling her Chela, but now I want to call her by her real name. You know what I mean? So yeah, because I don't want to make her feel bad. So yeah, but it's like if I call her Tia, or like I call her Auntie, right?
Yes.
So yeah, that sounded like I just farted. I did not. It was a couch. So yeah, that's what I just Can I do this side?
Yeah, you could do whatever side you want. You just gotta like dap it a little bit. Now we are going to start with this tart shape tape, if you could see it on there. So she's gonna go ahead and put it under my eyes, the concealer, because I have, like, as you can see, I have a lot of dark circles. So she's gonna go ahead and
Oopsie.
Okay.
Sorry.
So she's gonna go ahead and use the beauty blender, but she's gonna use this side for my eyes.
Reminder again, I'm doing this eye look, which is gonna be very hard for me. I don't know if you can even see it, but yeah. Okay, so
go ahead. So are y'all going back to school, or what's gonna happen with y'all?
So I honestly think we're not gonna go back to school. But in my school, since we wear uniform, if we do go back to school, the only good thing about it is that. But yeah, definitely with the whole COVID stuff. So what's it called?
So now we are going to do
Bronzer.
this butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. That's what it's called.
Wait, I was supposed to put it on your cheekbone.
Yeah, you're gonna put it, and then we're using this BH Cosmetic brush. Oh, it smells so good.
It smells like brownies. We literally
it smells like palm trees.
We just ate brownies. Today I'm having like a sleepover with her. Yeah. So I put it right here. No, that's your cheek.
So we're gonna use this little Tarte Kisses. That's what it's called. And I got this from the Ipsy bag. So I really like it. And this is the color.
So yeah, now I'm gonna do her eyebrows so I can flick her the wrist.
Alright. So we're gonna use this
James Charles palette. It's so cute. I need to buy it.
Got that for my birthday. So right now she's gonna go ahead and do this blue mixture with the purple. So she's gonna put it on my eyelid and kind of blend it in with the purple. So it's gonna be a little bit similar to what she was showing you at the beginning, but it's gonna be a little bit different. So she's trying her best to make it look a little bit more to that image that she showed earlier. Okay, so we're actually gonna use this lashes. This is the Stella lashes, the Bad Bee. So I really love this lashes. So she's gonna go ahead and put those on me.
It's okay. Hopefully the lashes help. If it looks good, it's because of the lashes. I actually I know what you guys saying. We just need to put a little.
This is the Hustler Baby from Fenty.
Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty.
Fenty Beauty.
I like Fenty Beauty.
Hustler Baby.
Oh, it's so
I
shiny.
love her makeup. Hustler. This looks pretty.
Mm-hmm. And this part has to be very good.
Let me see.
Wait, let me see.
Let's see how it came out.
So guys, this is how the makeup look came
More
out.
looks.
This is how it's supposed to be. This is what you're expecting, and that's my
This is
that's my
reality.
reality. So yeah.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for joining us here. So please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to Simply Maricela and to subscribe to the channel.
Andres.
Alright, well, we're gonna go ahead and go to sleep because we're so tired. But if y'all want to chat, we're gonna put everything on the description, and we chat in the comments below. So please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Take care.